Welcome to Thundering Rebuilds. On this episode, we just bought a Nissan 370Z 2016 and we're gonna rebuild it, but not only rebuild it, we're gonna build it better. I'll catch you after we unload the car. So we unloaded the car. Time to open up the hood for the first time since the wreck. This hood has been jammed up. It has not been wanting to open. Let's see, maybe there's a twin turbo system. Maybe there's something else. We don't know. No one knows. And it still doesn't want to open. Look at that beautiful engine. Now, it sadly does not have a twin turbo system, but beautiful engine nevertheless. Engine still has oil, means it's all okay, healthy, and it's not dead. Okay, now that we have checked out the engine bay, let's check out the interior. Alright, so this is the interior, pretty standard. It is dirty. We will get it cleaned up. It has 1, 2, and 3 airbags deployed. Nothing in the glove compartment. Nothing special in the trunk. So, time to get this puppy cleaned. Right, let's get this interior cleaned. Pretty amazing what a bit of simple vacuuming can do, am I right? Now, next step, take apart the front and try to start the car. I'm gonna leave you guys here and I'm gonna hit the hyperlapse. Progress update, we did good. Right now we're gonna take this thing off, then we're gonna see what's around, and maybe we'll get to try to start the car in this episode. If not, we're gonna definitely try to start it next episode. Take some pliers, wiggle the metal, and then pull it off. Sorry, this is hard doing it with one hand. And, well, I don't have more than 2 hands, so I can't do this all at once. As you can see, it is a bit jammed up. I'm not sure if it's gonna spin. I don't want to risk damaging anything more. So chances are we're gonna be trying to start it next episode. We're running out of daylight, so thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining us. And we are going to continue tomorrow, next episode. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe. Have a good one.